Guys, I'm really tempted to buy a new shoes because my shoes is very dirty. So just for today, JB Hi-Fi is having a 20% discount in most of their product. So seeing that make me tempted to buy nothing, but you know, I'm tempted to get inside and buy something, but no way. And look at this, they have a vending machine that sells like electronics items like this one. There is a charger, there is a power bank, there is a SIM card, and there is a charger. So it's nice. Oh, now I realize that I need to have a haircut. And you can see from here it's already long and it's not good. And look at this coffee shop. It's a small coffee shop, but a lot of people are on queue to buy just coffee. Normally, most of the people here during breakfast are just having a coffee just like me. There is one very affordable barber shop in there. They charge only $10 to $15 per cut, per haircut. And I'm done with the haircut, and it's like this, very short. Nice. Outside is very cold, but inside the mall or inside the building is hot because there's no AC. So today I went to the barber shop without my telephone, without my phone. I leave it at home. So for sure I got already a lot of messages in my inbox. So when I check it, I for sure a lot of messages inside. I've been away from home for like 3 hours, and I was expecting my friend to send me a message because we are going to a meeting with our sponsor. But what to do?
Units na naman! Anak ng kurero. Kaya tayong tigilan ng unit siya. Sundan tayo.
Kamusta po kayo dyan sa Manila? Nandito na po kami. Mapa! Kamusta na po kayo? Kuya Will!
Kuya Will!
Bigyan ng jacket yan!
Kamusta mo ako kay Kim?
Siyempre.
Si Ryan Agoncillo nga pala. Hirang mangyari yung ganito na sama-sama kami. Hey, look at that helicopter. It was staying there for a long time, steady. And now we are looking for a coffee shop. Dito na, simulado.
Gusto niyo ba umupo sa restaurant? Doon na lang tayo. Kaya mo, say
Coffee shop lang.
We are in the train station waiting for the next train going to Museum Station, and we're going to meet the parents of our friend. So here in Sydney, they also having the same like the one in Dubai. They called it Dubai Festival of Light. In here, they called it vivid Sydney. So as you can see, there are some display on the walls, some lights like these, and it's all over the Sydney Center. It feels different while walking here. Picture kita.